Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your OnlineJobs.ph employer account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your OnlineJobs.ph paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your OnlineJobs.ph paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you don't manage your monthly or yearly subscriptions, they can kind of get out of hand for various softwares. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your OnlineJobs.ph employer account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my OnlineJobs.ph account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your employer paid subscription, up here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on okay, once you do that, you're going to look for this section here, my subscription. So you can see I have this premium subscription, and it lets me know it's going to bill for this amount on this date. But in order to cancel your paid subscription, click on cancel subscription here on the right. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to cancel your OnlineJobs.ph subscription? If so, click on the blue yes cancel button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my OnlineJobs.ph account. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your OnlineJobs.ph paid subscription, that's the easy way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.